Hi, good afternoon. I wanted to show you another renovation that we did in this old 1970s colonial home. This is an upstairs hallway bathroom. We converted two rooms into this larger hallway bathroom. Here you can see a 72-inch custom vanity, all white cabinets, Rococo stone on top, two circle mirrors. Those are from Pottery Barn, along with dual lights. All the drawers are soft closing mechanisms. You can see the porcelain tile that we chose for the floor, very light and airy. We used the rain grout so it all blends in beautifully. Can't even really see the grout lines. As you come over here, we moved the plumbing to move the toilet over into this little nook right here. You can see that. And then we did the double towel bar, new window, new trim around the window. And then for the shower, we did custom tile, floor to ceiling, as you can see here. We did the Moen Kingsley bath set, along with its own wand. Custom size niche, 20 inches by 20 inches with the Rococo ledge. Marble backsplash. New 20-inch deep soaker tub. And then for the linen closet, we did a brand new linen closet, fully framed out, new door, everything. And then we did the floating shelves in here. You could see where we carried the tile floor right through underneath the closet door here. We did all new paint, all new crown molding, and then we did recessed lights again in the ceiling. Overall, this bathroom took 16 days from start to finish, and there was a lot of work here. So we took everything down to the studs, took the subfloor up, re-leveled all the joists. We ran 7 new joists in this bathroom here. And again, this was 2 rooms previously, now 1 full large bathroom that everyone can enjoy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.